Hi everyone, today I'm here to talk about the FX slat wall displays. So with the FX slat wall displays, there's one main shelf and then there's a variety of different plates that can be attached to the main shelf in order to expand the variety of options that it can hold. The main shelf itself can either have an uplight with a mini mount, and all you have to do is take the cord, feed it through this tube right here, align the holes, and then just screw it in. Very, very simple. And then once you feed the wire through, there's gonna be a little hole in the back, and then you pull it out and then run the wire through. Additionally, the main shelf can also house any light or fixture that has a Versa box. So you'll unscrew the Versa box and then you'll affix the mount on here, line up the holes, and once that is completely affixed to it, you just feed the wire through, re-screw in the fixture, and you're good to go. And then the first plate that I'm gonna go over today is for the NL. So once you get the NL, you're going to remove the bracket and you're going to screw it on here. And this also does work for the NL up down as well as the traditional NL down. And then, so once that's screwed on and once you screw back on this part of the bracket, all you have to do is feed the wire through and snap it on. Once the fixture is properly affixed onto the plate, you'll be able to secure it onto the main shelf, and you'll just need 4 screws and then just line it up and feed the screws up. Next, we have the QL. This one is very similar to the NL, in which you have to remove the bracket, but with this time, when you re-secure the bracket on, you have to feed these screws through. And then once that has been done, you just feed the wire and the screw, and then you'll be able to secure it with a hex screw. And then once again, the fixture has been properly attached to the plate. You just take this and then you line it up with the first 2 screw holes right here, so it's flush with the shelf. Again, feed the wire through the center hole as well as going out the back. Alrighty, next we have the downlight plate. So you can either do a tree box, or you can do a mini mount for this one as well. And so if you have the mini mount, you're gonna secure it with these holes right here, but with the tree box, after the fixture has been properly secured to the tree box, you'll feed the wire through and then you'll screw these on, and then again take the plate and then put it on the main shelf, and this one again you're gonna screw upward from the bottom of the plate through on. Next we have some modern path lights. So we have a plate for the PM and a plate for the MPK, and the modern path light plate for the MPK can also be used for the MPL since they do have the same bracket. So both of these are very similar within them setting up. You just remove the deck mount and then you attach it and line it up with the proper hole pattern. And after you've secured the fixture onto that, the only difference with these plates is how you screw it on to the main shelf. So with the PM plate, you'll see, with the PM plate, you'll line up the holes here and screw down to affix it to it. However, with the MPK or MPL plate, there's already screws attached, so you just have to put it on and then you'll just secure it with the little hex. Next we have